going to be episode number 3 for the Super Bowl Sunday special. So today I'm going to be making garlic fries and Little Smokies. So garlic fries are an easy, quick way to make an appetizer for Super Bowl Sunday. You can make the fries fresh, but I just like to make it so quick and easy. I just buy a bag of fries and make them garlic fries. And then Little Smokies are little sausage smokies that I mix with barbecue and some peppers and everything, and I get that flavored, and that's an easy dish to eat on Super Bowl Sunday too. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the different ingredients that I need in order to make these two dishes today. Alright, so now I'm going to name out the different ingredients I'm going to need for the garlic fries. For the garlic fries, I like to get just a regular bag of French fries, some minced up garlic, about 6 cloves, black pepper, some kosher salt, canola oil, and that's all I'm going to need for the garlic fries. And then for the Little Smokies, I need the little sausage smokies. They're just little ones, you can buy them from the grocery store. Some red pepper flakes, some ground black pepper, a lot of barbecue sauce, since that's where it's going to really mix in with and get rich in flavor with. 1 lime and a slow cooker, because that is what you make it in. So that's all the ingredients I need for Little Smokies and the garlic fries. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to prepare the garlic fries. Alright, so first I'm going to put some canola oil on the bottom. And then I'm going to take the bag of French fries, I'm going to open it up and lay it down on the bottom. So that's all the fries in there, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle it with just a little bit of black pepper. Alright, so now it's all mixed in with the canola oil and the black pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 375 and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or once they're golden brown. Alright, put the heat to medium and go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Let that heat up for just a moment. And then you're going to add the garlic in there. And we're going to cook it for about 15 to 30 seconds. We don't want to cook it. We just want to get the raw garlic flavor out of there. And if you've noticed, the garlic is really small because you don't want huge chunks in your garlic fries. I'm going to turn off the heat. Alright, so we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of kosher salt in here. And just a little bit of black pepper. You're just going to mix that in. And now we're going to go look at the warm fries and mix this in with the fries. Alright, so the fries are now made, so you're going to want the fries to be warm, and you're going to put them into a bowl. And you're going to mix in the garlic flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and toss this around. Alright, so they are now flavored with the canola oil, the black pepper, and the garlic. So it's done and flavorful. And now I'm going to go ahead and try this with the ketchup and see how it really turned out. Alright, so first for the Little Smokies, I'm going to put the Little Smokies in there. Just little 2 bags of them. It does have some liquid with it, just go ahead and leave that in there. So I put this on warm for right now, and then once I get everything in there, I'm going to put it to medium heat. You want to cook it at a pretty slow pace so that way the barbecue mixes right in. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to put tons of red pepper flakes. I would say probably about 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to put in a lot of barbecue sauce. And then you're going to squeeze in a lime. Then you just want to mix it through. That's all. You see how there's like extra barbecue sauce in there? You want it like that, so the barbecue sauce really mixes in. You're gonna go ahead and cover it up, turn it to medium heat, and cook it for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. So it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes since I've been cooking the sausage, and it's full of flavor. The barbecue is now enriched into the little sausage, and they're cooked and ready to be served. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a little taste try. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give this food a taste and see how it turned out. So I'm gonna first try the fries. Those taste amazing. I like using the kosher salt instead of the regular salt because the regular salt will dissolve in, but kosher salt will actually stay a little bit on the top and it'll give the good taste. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try the Little Smokies. That is just as good. I mean, they're really well cooked and the barbecue is really like enriched into the sausage. So these are both cooked and ready to be ate, and I love them. So this is gonna be all today for episode number 3. Thank you for always watching me, guys. Please give my video a thumbs up and like it. Comment on the bottom and tell you how you liked it. If you want a different appetizer, or if you made it, tell me how you made it, if it turned out good. And please share my videos on Facebook or Instagram, and always press that subscribe button. And there's a little bell next to it. Press that button too, because it will notify you when I do upload my videos. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Thanks for always showing me love and support. Love you guys.